Hey fans, welcome to the world of innovation. Explore the world of innovative gadgets and tools in this comprehensive guide, from productivity enhancers to cutting-edge technologies. The M12 ProPEX Expansion Toolkit, a game changer in plumbing technology. What do you do when a plastic pipe won't fit the joint? There's only one solution: expand it. But traditional methods like heating or inserting tools can be risky, potentially leading to damage or leaks. That's where the expansion toolkit comes in. Simply place the protective ring on top of the pipe and insert the tool nozzle inside. With a flick of a switch, the conical nozzle starts rotating and expanding. After 45 minutes under pressure, the pipe should be the perfect size. Priced at $500, it's a worthy investment for any plumbing professional. The Sali drill plate cutter, an essential tool for precise drilling tasks. When drilling holes, it's crucial to protect the workpiece's surface, and that's where drill plates come in handy. The Sali drill plate cutter features a durable carbide tip blade designed to effortlessly cut through drill plate materials. Whether you're using a drill press or another rotary tool, this cutter ensures accurate and clean cuts. Here's how to use it. Start by selecting the correct size cutter for the drill plate material. Then mount the cutter onto your drill press or rotary tool. Align the cutter with the drill plate and slowly start the tool while feeding the cutter into the drill plate until you reach the desired depth. With the Sali drill plate cutter, you can tackle drilling tasks with precision and ease. Lift Plaq, a game changer for utility workers and city dwellers alike. If you've ever seen utility workers lifting heavy manhole covers in the city, you know it's no easy feat. But with Lift Plaq, the process is streamlined and safe, even for a single worker. Simply bring the tool close, hook the cover with the powerful magnet, and effortlessly lift it off. No more straining your back. Lift Plaq can handle loads up to 1,000 kg, but teamwork is always recommended for heavier covers. Plus, with its vibrant red and yellow colors, it ensures high visibility for worker safety. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to efficiency with Lift Plaq. Introducing the Montolit Flash Line 3, a manual tile cutter specially crafted for cutting large porcelain slabs with precision and ease. This cutter can handle tiles up to 340 centimeters long and 1 centimeter thick, making it perfect for those big projects. Equipped with a patented 3WD Revolution cutting head, featuring 3 titanium wheels tailored to different materials, it ensures smooth and accurate cuts every time. The rotating head minimizes chipping or cracking, preserving the integrity of your tiles. With a non-slip anchoring system, the cutter stays securely in place during use. Assembly is a breeze with the quick elastic coupling, and the modular rail system allows for infinite extension to accommodate any cutting length. Despite its robust capabilities, the Flash Line 3 is surprisingly lightweight at only 8 kilograms, making it convenient to transport and maneuver, even on site. Say goodbye to cumbersome cutting tools and hello to precision and efficiency with the Montolit Flash Line 3. The Wagner Smart Edge Roller, a game changer for paint application in tight spots without the mess. Unlike traditional rollers, this innovative tool is designed to prevent unwanted marks and splashes, making painting hassle-free. Gone are the days of dipping rollers into trays. With the Wagner Smart Edge Roller, paint is effortlessly pumped through a bowl beneath the handle, directly into the roller with a gentle squeeze. The roller's plastic covers on the sides shield adjacent surfaces like doors, window frames, and furniture from accidental splatters, eliminating the need for time-consuming newspaper coverings. Priced at just $25, this smart roller offers convenience and efficiency, ensuring a smooth and clean painting experience every time. Say goodbye to messy paint jobs and hello to effortless precision with the Wagner Smart Edge Roller. Tolson Drywall Sander 5, a robust and adaptable tool designed to tackle various drywall sanding tasks with ease. Equipped with a powerful motor, this sander offers ample power to handle even the toughest sanding jobs. What sets it apart is its 5-speed variable speed control, allowing you to tailor the speed to the specific task at hand for optimal results. In addition to its impressive performance, the Tolson Drywall Sander 5 features a built-in dust collection system, which effectively minimizes dust and keeps your workspace clean. Whether you're a homeowner tackling DIY projects or a professional in need of a reliable drywall sander, this tool offers both power and versatility. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option available, the Tolson Drywall Sander 5 offers excellent value for its price point. Regarded as the top choice among drywall sanders, it boasts a powerful motor, a dual head design for faster sanding, and an efficient dust collection system, making it a standout option in its category. Removing old wallpaper or peeling off layers of paint can be quite a challenging task. While some may resort to simply applying another coat of paint, true professionals know that there are better solutions available. That's where the EPF 200-3 renovation miller comes in handy. Designed to work quickly and with relatively minimal mess, this tool adheres to the wall like a snail, efficiently stripping away the old coating. Any paint residue is then suctioned up through a hose into a device similar to a household vacuum cleaner. With blades capable of penetrating up to 5 mm, the EPF 200-3 allows you to tackle stubborn layers effectively. Plus, you can go over the same spot multiple times for thorough removal. It's the go-to choice for professionals seeking a hassle-free solution to renovation tasks. The Nemo Reciprocating Saw, a groundbreaking tool designed specifically for underwater use by commercial divers. It's the world's first submersible reciprocating saw, engineered to deliver top-notch performance even at depths of 50 meters underwater, matching its effectiveness on land. Powered by a durable lithium-ion battery with a 6-hour lifespan, this saw features a variable speed trigger for precise control. Whether you're working with wood, metal, plastic, or fiberglass, the Nemo saw can effortlessly cut through a variety of materials. One of its standout features is the keyless blade clamp, allowing for easy blade changes even underwater. This makes it a valuable